现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Lim Zepsiu. That's Ling Zhou Xiu or Joseph Lin in English. And today we're teaching you the phrase to be nervous. 紧张。
紧张。
紧张。其实紧张真的很多的状况都会紧张哦。
对啊。
你说要到台上演讲也会紧张。对啊。然后呢，跟喜欢的人在一起也会紧张。
然后要赶时间。
对，赶车的时候也紧张。We get nervous a lot, don't we? There's so many different situations we can teach or put you in. Let's put you in this situation where you're trying to get to the train station on time and you're a little nervous because there might be a traffic jam, okay? 要不要提早去车站等车啊？ Should we go to the train station early on?
我卡做地位去。
我卡做地位去。
茶头等茶某。
茶头等茶某。等茶就是等车 to wait for the train or the bus. 但有的时候会很紧张，因为怕路上塞车，要提早个1-2个小时到。
对啊，
对不对 ？Okay, let's put you in that situation. You're worried that there might be a traffic jam, so you want to get there, let's say 2 hours early. 还有2小时啊，这么紧张干嘛 ？There's still 2 more hours to go. Why are you so nervous?
还有2點鐘到。
還有2點鐘到。
按緊張做乜嘅？
按緊張做乜嘅？就是这么紧张干嘛？对啊，做嘛 is like why are you so nervous? There's still 2 hours.
对啊，还有2个钟头哎。
其实2个钟头，除非你住很远了，对啊，应该是绰绰有余啊。可是有些人真的是，
可是不见得，万一路上塞车怎么办？
对 ，That's right. What if there's a traffic jam? Why not? 如果没事的话，就先去嘛 ，right? 我怕路上会塞车。I'm afraid there might be a traffic jam.
我驚怕。
我驚怕。
半路會塞車。
半路會塞車，塞車就是塞車。That means a jam, a traffic jam. 我驚怕 That means I'm afraid.
對。
All right, so let's review some of these phrases. 我们来复习几个单字好了。
OK.
都跟车有关呢，哈。
好啊。
来 ，Let's teach you how to say 车站 again.
茶頭。
茶頭 That means a station. And then to wait for a bus or a train, we all say 等車。
等茶。
等茶。And then we're afraid that it's going to be congested or a traffic jam. 塞車。
塞茶。
塞茶 OK 我們為了怕塞茶所以早點去等茶。It's all about the phrase to be nervous this month. 緊張怎麼說呢？
緊張。
緊張其實緊張是好事，因為會有一點壓力，讓你把事情早點完成好嘛，對不對 ？All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
是母胎嘎。
漢字say張偉亮。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.